Activity Center is your real-time alert system inside Roller. It surfaces important booking updates, payment actions, and operational changes that require attention. Used properly, Activity Center helps you stay on top of daily activity, reduce missed tasks, and respond quickly during busy periods. To open it in Venue Manager, select Activity Center from the menu. From here, you can quickly action important notifications that appear in your venue. Using this Sales Period Ending Soon notification as an example, I can open the activity. From here, you can mark it as done, snooze it for later, or assign it to a specific staff member. For booking inquiries, you can email the guest, mark the activity as done, snooze it, assign it to a staff member, or create a draft booking directly from the inquiry. To manage your notifications, go to Settings, then Notifications. Here, you'll see a list of all possible notifications that can appear in your venue. Selecting a specific notification lets you control whether it appears in Activity Center. If it does appear, you can choose which staff roles in your venue can see it. Depending on the notification, you may also be able to automatically send emails to venue contacts. To help you understand how these notifications work, we'll walk through what each notification type means and what actions that may be required. When you see new inquiries, it means a guest has submitted an inquiry form, usually for group bookings or events. Your action is simple. Review the inquiry and respond quickly to convert their interest into a booking. A new guest message means a guest has sent a message through their booking or responded to an email sent from their booking. You should reply promptly to keep communication clear and professional. A tentative booking cancellation alert appears when a held booking is about to expire due to non-payment. At this point, you can decide whether to follow up for payment or allow the booking to be released. If you receive a banned guest has made a booking notification, it means someone flagged in your system has booked online. This requires immediate review and a decision on whether the booking should be canceled. When a party package booking is edited via online accounts, a guest has changed details such as guest numbers or add-ons. You should review the changes and ensure staffing and resources still align. If you see a new party package booking with missing inclusions, it means a guest has completed a party booking but hasn't selected all required inclusions, such as food or decorations. You should review the booking and follow up to confirm the missing details before the event date. A sales period expiry reminder means a product's availability window is about to close. You should review the product and decide whether to extend the sales period or allow it to expire. An edit booking payment failed alert means a payment attempt didn't go through for a booking edited through an online account. You should contact the guest to resolve the issue and secure the booking. Finally, an unsettled pre-authorization reminder means there are card authorizations waiting to be captured or released. These should be reviewed before they expire. Used properly, Activity Center helps your team stay proactive, organized, and in control of daily operations.